Hey there, I'm Marlene Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from MarleneTilton.com, where you can experience great tasting foods and enjoy the benefits of food-grade essential oils with healthy food alternatives and improve your gut health naturally. After watching, make sure you go to the description below and download my free food-grade essential oils guide. If you like making simple dairy-free dips for veggies, this one is really tasty. This recipe includes 3 food-grade essential oils, lemon, lime, and coriander, that are specific to detox, immune boosting, and aiding digestion, and the flavor is superb. You'll want to first take 3/4 cup of raw almonds, cover with water, then soak for 1 to 2 hours, then drain, and in a blender add 2/3 cup water, the 3/4 cup soaked almonds, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and now 25 drops of lemon essential oil, 10 drops of lime essential oil, and 2 drops of coriander. Such great flavor. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons Bragg's liquid aminos, a teaspoon of brewer's yeast flakes, a 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, and then 3 tablespoons of canned green chili. Now we're going to blend it all up, and this is going to take about a minute because we want it nice and smooth. And then we're going to just pour it into our veggie bowl, and it's ready to go. So tasty with any kind of vegetables that you like, as well as even crackers. Such a nice flavor and such a great dip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, please comment, and download my free food grade essential oils guide.